All right, today we're in the garage, changing out some stuff. Let me kill the engine and kill the engine. So today's plan is to change out the turn signal from the headlights. Currently it is malfunctioning. It is not working 100% of the time, and it is triggering a light on my dashboard, and I hate seeing lights on my dashboard. So that's what I'll be working on today. Also, I'm gonna have to go back to discount tires because I got in the garage this morning and realized that my front driver's side is low. I could have caught up a puncture, slow leak, and that's what's happening because I haven't driven the car since I drove it back on Saturday from discount tires. Well, I went and made one stop prior, but I know I could have hit a nail or something. So anyhow, today's video is about removing the driver's side headlight, and I have to remove that bolt right down here and that bolt or in the corner over there. I'm not sure if you can see that, but there's a bolt that I just hit with PB Blaster that is right in that corner here, there. Anyhow, so I'm currently working on removing the reservoir, and once I remove the reservoir, then I can have access to that bolt, and that should be it. Pull out the I'll remove the headlights, and luckily, when purchasing these indicator lights, they normally come in pairs. So I have the second one in the glove box, which I am going to use. Hopefully that one is still working because I've had it in the glove box for over a year. All right, so see in a few seconds as I remove this headlight. All right, so I was able to remove the bolts for the reservoir. They're like 10mm bolts. So once I remove it, I was able to shift the reservoir to the side and then access with my long extension with the, I guess it's 30. I forgot what torque it was, torque bit. So I'm removing that one bolt right now, that one torque screw, and then I have this to remove, this one to remove, these two. And then once I remove that one, I have the other one as mentioned, and I keep on forgetting where they are. Oh, it's right here, that one right below there. And I should be able to remove the torque bit. Since I'm just removing the bulb, I have it handy, and they said it should protect the bumper, but I don't think I'll be scratching it. Fingers crossed. But I'm in a rush, and it does take a few seconds, but the thing is, the painter's tape or any tape I have is all the way in the house. Yeah, anyhow, I'm gonna remove it and we see how that goes. All right, so we got the headlight housing outside. As you can see, the bolt here was removed. Actually, it's still there, as you can see it, on both sides. I don't know if you can see that one as well, but yeah, I remove both bulbs, both bolts, and now I need to access this here, which is this thing right here. So I'm just going to remove it. It seems to be turned anti-clockwise, so I'm gonna try that. If not, I'll do the reverse and see if that removes it. And here's my replacement bulb. All right, so let me get at that real quick. And I'm gonna have to do the same thing for both sides so when I'm doing the HID bulbs that I just got from ECS Tuning. Stay tuned for that as well. All right. I thought I could get away with not removing the electrical connector, but I had to completely remove the headlights. I am looking at the instructions on the headlights. Let's put it in the trunk. I was looking at the instructions for the headlights. It says to turn, you can see it here for yourselves. It says to turn to the left, lefty-loosey, and right to close. So I was trying that, it wasn't working, so I had to take it out completely to see what I'm missing, and that's what I'm currently doing. Headlights supposedly, I mean, it's quite heavy. I didn't think it would be that heavy, but I am going to be interested in replacing these headlights, both sides. I didn't think it would have been that involved, but it is, and I'm currently just chatting too much right now. Anyhow, I'm gonna try to remove this while it's out and see if it's a lot easier while the electrical connector is off. All right. Stress. So I got it out. The bulb, as you can see, is darkened on this side. I don't know if you can see that in the light. So how I pulled it out, yes, you turn to the left and then you pull on the tab. I was just turning it thinking it was gonna screw out and then automatically pop out, but once you turn it to the left and it locks into that position, then you just pull on the tab and pull it out. It took me forever to figure that out, but anyhow, I figured it out. I'm gonna replace the bulb right quick and get this job moving so I can head out. I think it's just yanking this out. Oh. Is there another turn, twist, release? Seems like it. Alright, ooh, look at that. That's burnt crisp. Alright, got the new one in. Let's get that. That's in. We got the headlight. Line that piece in. Nope, it's not lined up. Oh, I see them. So it's like this. There we go. And then I turn that way. Is it locked? Yeah, that was it. Small turn to the left. All right, let's assemble this right now. All right, get the electrical connector. Click. There we go. Let's test to see if it actually works. Still not working. The bulb is on, but it's not registering turn signal. Oh well, I tried. I tried. Hopefully it's not a new headlight housing I need, because that would totally suck. Anyhow, I guess that's a wrap. I'm gonna assemble it back and head out. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Peace.